I put my 60-day notice in this raggedy ass apartment
Wow.
because my rent went from $1,300 to $1,500. They're charging me $1,628 this month. I put my 60-day notice in. I stand here, so they mad.
Yo, it's your boy Demarcus Duhart, man. Back in the building, man. Right now, we're talking about how Americans and how Black people cannot afford rent. Yikes. It is crazy in these streets, man. I really want us to really make it, man, but it's looking crazy. It's hard, man. You know, no jokes aside, man. When COVID happened in the United States, I was working downtown Tampa, and it was hard. You know, they took all my hours away. You know, I was like a delivery driver for a marketing company in downtown Tampa, and as soon as COVID hit, all my hours got just took, and then, you know, I'm paying rent. You know, I was taking care of a family. Long story short, wasn't able to do that anymore, but was taking care of family, and all that got ripped away from me, and it was terrible. One of the worst times of my life, but I made it through. So my thing is this: I learned to never, ever, ever just depend on one job or just depend on a job, period. But build yourself to the point where you're able to actually have a job. And then what really happened was I had a landscaping company but I had to get another job with that business I had. And I was making some good money with the cutting grass and landscaping. I had the whole mower and all that junk, but it's hot in Florida, dog. It is hot, man. Like, I want y'all to understand, like, landscaping is not for the weak-hearted out here, man. I tell you. So I literally was out there, and then COVID happened. I had to get a job. As soon as I got the job, they start cutting hours, and it was terrible because my family, we was dependent on that money. It got to the point where I wasn't even getting enough to even sustain a family, man. It was crazy. Long story short, you know, lady, she left me. And, you know, she made an excuse about, like, she had to go. She really was from a different state, but she made an excuse like she wanted to go see her family and all this, so she left. And, you know, I was like, go. You know, it was expensive already, so I was like, you know what, it's like, you can go. We was together like 4 years before that, so, you know, it hurt for a little while, but I had to let it go, man. But let's see what's really going on in these streets, man. People out here suffering with these not paying rent, so let's see why people are suffering. Let's see. This lady is going to tell us.
Let's see. All you need is first month, which is $700, plus a deposit of $350. Yeah, that works for me. Thank you. Let's see. All you need is your first month, which is $950, plus your deposit, which is another $950.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, I can still do that. Thank you. I'm going to need my notepad for this one, but here's what you're going to need. You're going to need 3 times the rent, which is going to be $2,300. You're going to need a deposit of $2,300. Let's see. You're also going to need a credit score of 750, no exceptions. You're going to need to have evictions in the last 10 years. But wait, I'm not finished. There will be no pets allowed. Application fee non-refundable, which is $75 per adult. There's going to be a late fee of $50 per month. There's a $35 transaction fee. There is a fee to the fee of $25. Apparently I can't afford it. So I'm going to my parents who purchased that house in 1980 for $42.30. So thank you.
And that's the thing, guys. Did you see how, I know it's a skit, but at the same time, it's actually showing how it is in life right now. That stuff is so high. It is so crazy, man. You know, just affording rent, man, is crazy. It's best to get a high income earning job. I got the link to the 50 jobs. I mean, not 50, but 100 jobs that pay $50 an hour near you. And the link is probably going to be in the comments. but it's 100 jobs that pay $50 an hour. And depending on the skill that you got or the skill that you want or are working towards, you'll be eligible, but I'm trying to provide solutions for you guys. You guys can go to Demarcusduhart.com, and I'm taking 5 people and trying to get them to 6 figures a year. 6 figures a year, man. It's $100,000. Trying to get y'all guys there. 5 people only, man. So I'm gonna take my first 5 people and get y'all up to 6 figures. But the link to the 100 jobs that pay $50 an hour is, it's a free link. Download it for free. Use it how you want to, guys. That's how I'm giving back to everybody who views this video and finds this stuff inspiring or finds this stuff as help, because I just want to help you guys, and I want to be able to give back to my community. I've gotten past that point of where I was struggling to just survive. Like I said, I was cutting grass. I was in the heat, the Florida heat in Tampa, cutting grass, bro. Dog stuff, man. Stepping on dog doo-doo, hey, getting bit up by mosquitoes, getting ate up by ants. It was terrible, man, but I made it. I made it, baby. Did you know how good I feel right now? And I want to make sure you make it too, man. But I understand, it's not that easy for everybody, especially if you got a family. Like I said, the girl I was with, she bounced because I wasn't necessarily making the money I was at the time. But at the same time, if you got a woman that stays down with you with the good times and the bad times, man, you might as well hold on to her, because, she's going to be a ride or die is how they call her, man. But let's see what this other lady is talking about. All this stuff, this rent stuff that's going on, man. This other lady right quick, she's saying,
I'll put my 60-day notice in this raggedy ass apartment.
wow.
Because my rent went from $1,300 to $1,500. They're charging me $1,628 this month. I'll put my 60-day notice in and stand here. So they mad.
Wow.
And their policy is that you only have to pay your last month's of rent. Why are they charging me $2,600 to move out?
Wow.
I'm still moving out. I don't know where they're going to get the money from. They going to figure it out, but gotta get the fuck out of here.
She is she is childish, man, but at the same time, can we blame her? It's sad because people they don't understand that, these landlords don't understand that. I know they got families and they got to pay their bills as well. Something got to give. I just don't know what. I don't know what's going to give, guys, but I know what I'm going to help you guys do is boost up to the next level, because I don't think they're going to give us nothing. They ain't gave us nothing yet, man. So I know for a fact that we got to level up one way or another, man, or it's over, or give up, which I'm not going to do, and I don't want you to do either, man. But I thank you guys for watching the video, man. Free link down below. 100 jobs that pay $50 an hour. Demarcusduhart.com. I'm taking 5 people to 6 figures. Hit me up. Sign up to the mailing list. And let's go, man, because ain't nobody else going to give you this game. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.